name is Taylor with ASI Plumbing. Today we're going to go through a few steps and show you how to flush a water heater. As you can see, we have a water heater next to us. It only requires a few tools, which is going to be a garden hose, maybe a pair of channel locks, and maybe a screwdriver depending on what model you have. First step, we're going to locate the drain assembly and hook our hose up to it. By locating the drain assembly, which on this model is located here, you need to hook up a hose. Once you begin to drain, you need to find a location for it to drain, either a floor drain or a sump crock. In today's chance, we're going to be draining into a sump crock. Our location of our sump crock is next to the water heater right here. So place the hose into the sump crock. And we need to go back to the drain assembly and open the drain. While doing this, you need to let this flush approximately 10 to 15 minutes while having full pressure on your water lines at the same time. This will flush out any residue or buildup that is in the tank of your water heater. After 10 to 15 minutes of flushing, once you're in, you are ready to turn off the valve and remove the hose. If you are draining this into a sump crock, you do to make sure that you do have a good working sump pump. It is possible anytime. Without this, you may have a flooding issue. So you need to make sure your sump pump is in good operation of working. Congratulations on completing this process. Doing this annually will save many years of your water heater.